This recipe might be my simplest one yet. Roasted Chantenay carrots. What are Chantenay carrots? They are smaller carrots, they are really sweet, and they don't have the earthiness that you normally find with normal carrots. So let me show you how to make them. Start by giving these vibrant Chantenay carrots a thorough rinse and trimming the ends. Make a dressing with olive oil, salt, garlic powder, and your favorite seasoning. I love peri-peri, but even a little smoked paprika gives such depth. And toss the carrots with the seasoning until they are well coated. Then spread them on an air fryer rack or line baking tray. My oven has an air fry function, but either way, they need 20 minutes at 200 degrees C or 400 Fahrenheit. You want them caramelized and slightly wrinkled. While they roast, I make a quick butter bean hummus with olive oil, garlic, tahini, and a burst of lemon juice. Then spread the creamy hummus and pile some carrots on top. Just look at that gorgeous color. All that's left to do is drizzle with pomegranate molasses and sprinkle with fresh rosemary. Crunchy, sweet. It's divine.